Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be sharing some of my study material with you. Required for B.S.C. IT Sim 4 Theory and Practical. Let's see. Go to this link available in description. Now, click on Repositories. Here you will find all the repositories related to B.S.C. IT Sim 4 scrolling down below. Click 1 with Software Engineering. Here you will find folder inside, which will be consisting of theory notes, PPT Word documents, etc. Go through all the PDF in there. And don't miss the practical journal with my name on the file.